Hey y'all, welcome back to Adventuring with Amanda. Thank you so much for being here. I am back in Arizona at my home base, and if you saw my video from yesterday, you'll know that I bought a new van, so I completely removed everything from my van and I am going through a reorganization process. So, if you're here for the first time, definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping to hit 10,000 by the end of the summer, and we have a lot of fun adventures for you along the way. So this pile right here is all of the stuff I decided will 100% go in my new van. So I have, all of my basic necessities, and of course my jackery, my fuel. I have all of my kitchen items, which I went through my kitchen tote again and I eliminated a couple things. Just all of the miscellaneous things that I use on a regular basis, my blankets, shower, of course, the fire extinguisher, my Alpacool fridge, my back pillow, my tapestries, my tools, my water, my toilets, and my outdoor rug, this aluminum table, as well as the 3-tiered cart. Now, I'm not for sure what I'm going to put in my van in terms of furniture, but for now I have eliminated these 3 main pieces, which were my storage drawer, my wicker drawers, and my Omar shelf from IKEA. I have them sitting over here because I'm not 100% sure how I'm going to do my new build out in my minivan that I purchased. Yes, it is a minivan. There's another hint for you. But I use what I have because I'm on a budget. So I'm not, doing like this huge build out now that I purchased a van. I'm still on a budget and I'm not trying not to really buy anything new. I'm going to use what I have. So you can see that my van is currently empty and all I have inside it is my bed. So it needs to be vacuumed and cleaned out, but it is empty and I'm really happy about, it really needs to be vacuumed out. That's on my list, but I'm just excited about minimizing a little bit more, and just removing items that I do not need and I know I won't need or use in my new van. So I'm excited to switch everything over when it comes time. Hopefully I'll have my new van by Friday. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram at amanda.yantos, and Winston and I will see you later in the week on our next adventure.